Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a Mr. Clark tutorial. It's a pretty easy trick. I'd give it a rating of easy to intermediate. It just takes a bit of practice. I think it took me about 4 days to do, but I'm a pretty slow learner. It makes it sound like I'm retarded, but yeah, this is how it goes. Okay, so it looks pretty good, but it's also a medium intermediate. So what you do is you just flick it open like that. You just want to get used to just flicking it open. And sticking a bit there. And then you just want to, oh yeah, I forgot to mention where to put your fingers. Your ring finger on the bottom, in your middle, just on the top, and your thumb on the other side of the case, like that. Right. So you just flick it open like that, cross your fingers really, then you want to replace your index finger with your middle, with your ring finger, continue the rotation, then you want to swap your middle finger for your little finger, then when you get to this point, you want to either bump it or you can just light it with your middle like that, and then just transition to this. So yeah, that was Mr. Clark. I'll just show you one more time. So it does look pretty neat if you get it bang on. So thanks for watching. Please like this video if you think it deserves a like, comment and subscribe.